Hi guys, I'm here at Sembawang, Singapore, Sembawang Condominium. I just want to share this beautiful place. As you can see, makikita mo, all around here is very, sabihin na natin, overwhelming fitness instruments that can be used for your exercise. So, hello everyone. Today, I just want to talk about the incredible benefits of exercise. Not just for our physical health, but also for our mental well-being. Number one, for physical health benefits, it improves our cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, improves the circulation, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Another one, number two, weight management. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and building muscles, and that can be strengthen our bones and the density of our bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. So number four naman, it also enhance flexibility and balance. As you can see, all those people here, ayan, yung mga kasama ko, some of these people dito sa Singapore is so busy doing their work. They're so busy and they are very, sabihin na natin, very particular with their work. So sometimes they don't have any time to have their wellness or fitness. That's why this kind of condominium in Sembawang can help them to have at least 30 minutes or at least 15 minutes to have their exercise. So it will enhance, okay, they will have this kind of feeling that sometimes when you don't have any exercise, physical exercise, you feel stress, okay? So the regular physical activity improves flexibility and balance, which can help prevent falls, especially as we age. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng breakage sa ating mga bones. So this will enhance and help us to balance everything, to balance our body, okay, to balance our muscles, our bones, okay. So this kind of flexibility can help us improve our balancing. Another one about the health benefits of this is that reducing anxiety and depression. When you have a regular exercise, you can reduce, okay, you can reduce anxiety and depression. Exercise releases endorphins. Remember that. Exercise releases endorphins that can help you a lot to have body's natural mood lifters, which can help alleviate feelings of stress and anxiety. As you can see, I am having this cycling. Okay, so cycling, nakakatulong to release your, sabihin na natin, stress. It can also naturally lift your moods into positive one, which can help you to feel positive and release some stress and anxiety to your body. And then it also improves your mood. This kind of physical activity stimulates the production of serotonin, which enhances mood and overall sense of well-being. As you can see, it can also help you to have some positive outlook in life. Kasi when you are feeling, when you are physically fit and sabihin na natin healthy inside and out, you feel that kind of self-esteem. Your self-esteem becomes high, meaning to say you have the confidence to show off yourself, okay? And it also improves your mood. You become much more happy and much more contented to your body, okay? Because this kind of physical exercise or activity stimulates the production of serotonin to our brain, which enhances the mood and overall sense of well-being. And on another thing, okay, number 3, it also helps us to better sleep or to get a good night's sleep. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and deepen your sleep. Okay? It can make you feel more refreshed in the morning. Kapag ka nagising ka, tapos nag-exercise ka, after exercise, you feel much more confident to look forward for your work. Okay? It also increases cognitive function, which can make you feel much more better because it enhances your brain health. It improves your memory and it also enhances overall cognitive function, making it easier for you to focus and learn and be active for the day. So in conclusion, I just want you to know that this kind of place can help you a lot, okay, to be much more better and to feel that exercise is very important. Incorporating exercise into our daily routine is essential for a healthy body and mind. Whether it's a brisk walk, okay, or a workout on this kind of area, hindi mo na kailangan ng gym. Because here in Sembawang, you have it all. You have it all, the instrument for you to be physically fit. Or a dance class if you want. But for me, I just want to suggest if you are here in Singapore and you are in this kind of condominium in Sembawang, just grab the opportunity to have this kind of exercise with the instruments they have allotted. So I hope you enjoy watching here at Sembawang condominium, and then thank you for watching and enjoy watching this video. Just always remember, commitment to prioritize our health is very important. Goodbye and stay watching this entire video. Bilisan mo, ma'am. Bilisan mo. One more. Yan. One more pa. Dapat straight. Tanggalin mo yung bag mo. Minsan may mga ano dito. Dito po. Bihira lang. Sa sobrang busy, auntie. Ito din, oh, mukhang maganda. Sinubukan niyo na to, auntie? Hand cycle. So, maganda siya. Libre lang yung mga materials. Ito, recommend twist. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ito, twist mo lang yung body mo. Ayan, ganyan. Yan, try mo na. Ganito yan, oh. Ito yung instruction. Wave ring. Hold a ring and move it by passing curve bar. Yan, ganyan lang. Ito, auntie, oh, mukhang maganda. So, ganyan ang paggamit ng hand cycle. So, ito yung nakakatulong para sa endurance, tapos muscular, strength. Para mas malakas yung grip at saka yung hold. Ang ganda to. Kaya na yung coverage ng ano bang benefit ng ng exercise? Marami. Mentally, emotionally, magiging healthy ka dito. Yeah. Oo nga, ate. Maganda dito. Oo, kasi tahimik yung mga tao, eh. Parang, okay naman. Oo. Oo nga. Nag-ahay nga sila, eh. Ayun nga. Diyan kayo, auntie. Anong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Stretching.
Okay. Ang galing. Para yan sa mga binti.
Close back to the roll and grip handles massage moving up and down. Grip handles and place out on the massage rolling effect of the
Oh, maganda siya.
stretching roll.
Basta na siya magiging. Maganda. Okay na yung isa dun na nananahimik na auntie.
Nahiya, gusto siya pag nasa.
Tapos ito naman,
Sa
rolling pa rin.
Oo.
Sa legs pa din.
Hindi, dito naman sa arm.
Okay.
Sa arm yan. Masasakit ang po.
Paano naman yung gagawin, auntie? Ay, yung ganyan.
Kaya lang, lalaki yung
Oo
nakakano
nga,
ito
eh. Parang gaganyanin.
Pero ito nabubuhat, ito lalaki. Yung magdalakas ang grip, malakas ang ano.
Ay, mag-stand up. Galing.
At yun naman, pang-sexy ng baywang.
Ito, oo nga, pampasexy nga yan.
Maraming marami para ma-symmetric. Marami dito.
Kaya
Marunong
nga.
ka lang gumamit.
Opo.
Ano?
Basta may discipline lang talaga eh.
Oo.
Talagang magiging effective. Oo nga. So, ito ay Elderly Fitness Corner project ng Sembawang Town Council. December 2015. Fitness station. Ito yung mga rules. Body curl, hamstring, push up, standing board jump. Ayan, nandito na yan. Sobrang ganda. Corner. So this is fitness corner. Si sexy talaga kayo dyan, auntie.
Side to side. Yeah, I will find my sexy and
Mas ano kasi yan, mas okay din.
my
Diba? Kasi yung iba hindi nila na-wave yung mga bewang nila eh. Lalo na yung ibang senior. Kasi parang feeling nila na ano na. Oo. So, this is how it is. Sobrang ganda dito. Maganda yan, auntie, ah.
Oh. Oh, ay.
Akin na yung ano nyo.
Oh.
Tumbler. Para maayos nyo yung ano. Russell, tignan mo si Mamo Carmen. Ayan, oh.
Hello.
Hi!
Hi. Bye here.
Russell, nagpupunta sila sa school. Nak! Maganda din yung biking, di ba, auntie?
Ayun, iba naman yun. Marami dito, ano.
Fitness, ano dito. Oh, ang ganda, oh.
Iba-iba yan.
Biking, cycle, upright cycle.
Ito.
Ito naman, wavering. Mag-wavering ka dyan. Wavering.
Ito, pag nag-stack up yung ano mo, nag-stack up mo to,
Ayan na nako, oh. Para sa mga ano to, siguro, auntie. Sa mga elders. Maganda. Nakanahin mo si Mamo Carmen.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Anong tawag dyan?
Warming up.
Warming up. Parang ano, stretching.
Yung
Effect of
mo to.
exercise.
Oo.
Maganda.
Oo. Tapos ito.
Arm warming up. Parang ano,
Yun. Ito maganda. Dahil ang likod ko dito masakit.
ayan, maganda yan, auntie. Ayan o, maganda. Anong tawag dyan? Oo.
Leg press. Pag
Leg-
masakit dito mo, naninigas
Oo.
ang press. Legs mo, Russell. I-press mo dito. Ayan o. Auto exercise. Place back firmly. Yung back mo sa sasarap.
Oo nga.
And rest your feet on the... Ay, ganyan o.
Ah, ganyan.
Masarap yung likod ko. Oh, kasi masakit.
Maganda yan, auntie.
Tapos ito naninigas. Lalambutin mo yung paa mo. Kasi nag-press yung legs mo.
Basta ano siya,
Yeah.
mas nakakakalma.
Oo, tapos tingin ka lang sa taas ha. Hello, Lord.
Oh, maganda. Russell. Oh, subukan mo naman yan, Nak, yung isa. Ano ba yan? Yung isa dyan. Yun o.
Subukan mo na dito.
Etong
Huwag mo
isa, ano
isipin
to?
yung tao.
Ito.
Ako ka doon. Bayaan mo sila.
Ito, ano naman to? Balancing, Russell.
Hindi. Hindi.
Ito, try mo mag-balancing dito, Nak.
Balancing yan.
Nak,
Pero mukhang unfair na.
try mo mag-balancing dito.
Mukhang unfair. Yan ang pag-balancing.
Try mo mag-balancing.
Huwag mo na ako malapitan.
Wala, auntie. Wala akong dalang badminton. Ano naman tawag dyan, auntie? Bike din.
Ito. Tinanggal nila yung ano eh.
Pero bike din siya, no?
Siguro, oo.
Bike din yan. Maganda. Eto, meron pang maliit. Ito naman, auntie, arm warming up. Pampalakas din siya eh. Grip the rotating wheels with both hands and roll. Maganda tong nakapuntahan yung condo. Oo. Hindi ka na mag-ano ng gym.
Hindi ka kahit anong oras.
Oo.
Kaya alas 12 ng gabi, kaya alas umaga, kaya ako.
Kaya nga.
Kahit saan ka dito pumunta.
Maganda.
Tapos pwede ka mag-badminton dyan, maglagay ka lang ng net.
Oo nga. Lagay ko nga muna yung gamit dito. Maganda dito eh. Kaya nga. Russell, layaan mo lang sila. Wala naman yan.
Hindi yan sila makikialam. Hindi
Hello guys.
Hindi sila nakikialam. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome to Singapore, Sembawang.
Yes, this
I
is
want to
Sembawang.
make myself sexy and healthy.
Yes.
Wow.
Let's have a fitness
Yeah,
exercise
fitness exercise.
here at Sembawang. Anong tawag sa hotel na to? Ay, sa condo na to? auntie?
Sembawang condo.
Sembawang condo. So, this is Sembawang condo. As you can see, I'm having exercise.